You all right there, little bug?
I'm fine. But your breath done near killed me to death.
Would you mind?
Oh, I got you covered, bro.
Oh, much obliged, Pee-wee. Now, how about the other side?
Oh.
And we talk, too. I like it. You are secretly funny.
Not a stick in the mud?
Well, I would
Say it.
go.
Say it.
All right, you're not exactly
I can't hear you. I'm sorry. What?
complete stick deep in the mud.
Ow! Oh! Easy, easy.
Oh, this one in there, ain't it? Hold on.
Holy!
Oh, now, sure, I know we got to get to Mama Ordy lickety-split, but this particular extractification going to take a while, yeah.
Oh, poor Louis.
You know what would make me feel better? Ow! Oh! Crawfish smothered in remoulade sauce. Mercy!
Just a little
With some
more.
bananas Foster sprinkled with praline. Ow, mama!
How about some swamp gumbo?
That'll do.
Sounds delicious. I'll start with a pre-dinner cocktail and something to nibble on while I wait. Thanks.
No. Your Royal Highness, you are gonna mince these mushrooms.
Do what?
Mince the mushrooms. Hop to it.
That's ridiculous.
Are you mincing?
All right.
Relax. What?
Step aside, mister. Watch and learn.
Oh, all right.
There you go.
You know, I've never done anything like this before.
Really?
All right.
Well, when you live in a castle, everything is done for you. All the time. They dress you, they feed you, drive you, brush your teeth.
Oh, poor baby.
I admit it was a charmed life until the day my parents cut me off, and suddenly I realized I don't know how to do anything.
Well, hey, you got the makings of a decent mushroom mincer.
Oh, you think so?
Keep practicing, and I just might hire you.
Really?
No.
Oh, come on. What was that? That was below the frog.